Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix a Google Chrome signing you out after closing the browsers. So if your Google Chrome signing you out every time you close the browser, you just watch the right video to fix it. So in this tutorial, I'll show you the step-by-step guide how you can resolve this issue so you can stay logged in to your account hassle-free. So what you need to do in here is just you can see at the top. Okay, I have this account logged in before, but now it says that not sign in, and then now the sync is paused. So if you want to fix this issue, you just need to follow this step. First, you can just click on this, your name at the top or your initial at the top, and then just sign in back. Sign in again to your Google account. Click on next, and then you need to enter the password of your emails in here. Okay, after you fill in the password, you can tap on next again. Okay, and just like that, it will fix the problem. But in here, they will ask you to add account recovery options, but I'm going to just cancel or skip it for now. Okay, so now the problem is fixed. As you guys can see here, I've already signed in and the sync is back on again. So let's try to close the browser and open it again. You can just open your browser. Okay, so now the problem is fixed and my account is now signed in, always sign in to the Google Chrome. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.